Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Suma. In today's video, we're going to learn determiners in a simple and easy way. By the end of this lesson, you'll know what determiners are, their types, and how to use them correctly. So, let's get started. A determiner is a word that comes before a noun. It gives us more information about the noun. It can tell us which one we're talking about, who owns it, how many there are, or how much there is. The formula is very simple. Determiner plus noun. The determiner always comes before the noun. There are 7 main types of determiners. Now let's understand each type one by one with easy definitions and examples. Articles help us identify a noun. We use a before words with a consonant sound, and before words with a vowel sound, and the when talking about a specific person or thing. Demonstrative determiners point to something. We use this and these for things that are near, and that and those for things that are far away. Possessive determiners show ownership. They tell us who something belongs to. Quantifiers tell us how much or how many. We use them with countable and uncountable nouns. Number determiners tell us the exact number or position of something. Cardinal numbers show quantity, while ordinal numbers show order. Distributive determiners focus on individual people or things instead of the whole group. Interrogative determiners help us ask questions about nouns. These are some common mistakes. Remember to use the correct determiner with the correct noun. Now it's time to test yourself. Pause the video and answer these questions. Then check your answers. Let's quickly revise today's lesson. Determiners come before nouns and give us more information about them. We learned the 7 main types of determiners along with their definitions and examples. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!